So today I wanted to touch on some topic, and the topic is actor components and how to do your health. So it's just not about the health thing, but any other way of any other code that you want to be very flexible, that you want to be attached to any actor and be just used as it is. So let's say you want one common thing amongst all of your actors, right? So let's say you want health. That is a common thing you would want in your actors. It may be your main player, it may be your enemies, it can be your destructible objects, or maybe you want jump mechanics, or you want a vaulting or some slight parkour mechanics, or you want some ammo calculation things for guns. So instead of, how you usually do it is right click, create custom event, call it health, and then you start to create variables with float health. You bring it out, you do something with it, right? Instead, and then you have to copy it to other things too. Yeah, for advanced uh, Unreal users or advanced programmers, this is a no-brainer, the thing I'm about to tell, but I'm making this tutorial for somebody who is past that beginner stage or in the beginner stage and going to mediocre state of developing an Unreal. So there is something called as actor component. So you just right click, go to your blueprint class, and you see there is an actor component and scene component. Scene component, maybe we'll touch on it some video later, but right now we are talking about the actor component. In actor component, what we actually do is we make kind of a blueprint. Okay, we make something like this blueprint code, and that's it. You don't have your actor or capsule collision or anything. Let me show you my health component thing. Okay, see, all it has is an event graph and the functions that we create and the variables. It's like a mini version of your actor. Okay, not exactly a mini version of your actor, but just to give you an idea. Okay, it's just this event graph and all this blueprint things. Okay, so what I have done here for my health thing is on event begin play, I've created some things like max HP, current HP, and damage. So I've also made a function called HP management, in which I handle healing and damage both. So right now I have a boolean that is asking if it is damage or it is healing. If it is true, then it is getting damaged. If it is false, then the actor will get healed. There can be, if you want more things, then instead of having it a bull, you can make it a switch or anything. But my game requires healing and getting damaged, so this was the most easiest way for me to do it, so I've done it. Moving on, as you can see in the function, I have added an input saying damage or heal amount. Okay, this will be the amount that you want to add or remove. Then there are simple calculations like if the current health is less than max HP, then maybe add it. If the current health is greater than 0, then remove the damaged amount from your current health and set it to your current HP. Okay, and then I return a node as dead or something. If the health is 0, okay, then it returns dead as true. If not, then it returns dead as false. Okay, so these are just simple actors, not actors, simple components that can be attached, as you can see, attached to any actor. How do you attach it? Go to here, add, and whatever you have named it, health component. Okay, click on it, it will be added like this. Now, how do you use it? As you can see, I have created a HP management. I've created a function named HP management. All I have to do is drag it out, drag it out, HP underscore management. Now I have everything related to it, right? If I convert this to a pure function, then it won't even need execution pins. All right. So this is the easiest way to have small sets of codes which will be reusable, okay, and can be used in multiple places. So as you can see, I have this code attached to my this actor component attached to my enemy. Also, I have this actor component attached to my main player health component, right? But also I have one more place where this is attached. If we go in enemies, there is something called as, hold on, let me find it. Not inside this. Okay, it is somewhere level objects. Yes, explosive barrels. So even in explosive barrels, there is a code for, there is a component named health component. Now I don't have to, go inside the event graph and write all the code for it. All I have to do is on the any damage, event any damage, call the health component and add in the values that I need. And that's it. That's all I have to do for uh, managing my health. I have written the code once and now I can manipulate it add it everywhere. As you can see, there is one more for hit numbers. So if we go here, um, I'll just try to find where this is. Hit numbers component, maybe in enemies, hit numbers component. As you can see, I have this component in which there is a function for called as hit numbers function, in which I have floating hit numbers going up and down. Right now I have stopped it because my game does not need it. I only want to use it on bosses and I haven't created bosses yet, so I can't actually show you. But yeah, I can show you the health thing. So as you can see, there is this health component attached. So if I go here, I can kill the boxes, but also I can kill my enemies with sword slashes. You see, they can die. And also, my enemies can kill me. So, yeah, that's the thing for actor components or health components or managing your health in a simple way. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.